currently grabbing a coffee, and then I'll be home, and then we'll start the stream up. And then, yeah, so give me about like 5 more minutes, and we will get rolling. How's everybody doing? Is everybody printing right now? These market conditions have been beautiful. I haven't slept at all. I've been up. I pulled an all-nighter, so EPF all-time high every day. Fire, bro. Yeah, exactly. That's how it should be oiled. That is how it should be. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. We got 30 people in here. What's going on, Rust? We're just letting people pile in for 8 now. Give me another 5 more minutes, and then we'll start jumping into a lot of announcements. A lot of things that I want to bring up, and things that Native has been implementing are obviously, if you guys don't know who Native is, he is our developer, our lead developer, and our only developer. So he's been absolutely killing it. We've been making a lot of steps in the right direction, and the new updates are pretty fire. I'm not going to give away a lot of sauce. I'm not like Woods. I'm a little bit more restricted. So you guys aren't going to be getting any sniper entries this time around, but I'm going to be showing you what we've implemented and, some of the future things that we're going to be planning here. So, but Native has been working very, very hard for all of us. And, I mean, the things that he's implemented has been, pretty spectacular in my opinion. Also, I want to give a special shout out to Harea. I hope I'm saying that right. He's just commented in the section. He's he's a good guy to have in our community. And I'm happy to have him part of our team. Harea, yeah, is definitely, yeah. I muted. Sorry guys, I just had to talk to somebody real quick. Yeah, Harea is he's a very positive figure within the community, and that's what we look for. We always are paying attention, and we always are looking for that guy that's just always encouraging people, and like I said, always positive. If you guys are like very active, or you guys bring something to the table with your personality, or like just things like that, we're always looking for people to bring apart and bring into the beta testing that way as well. You don't have to be a VIP. Obviously, we encourage you guys to be VIPs, and VIPs will always get priority to everything. But there are those select few people like Harea that are super positive and bring a great personality to the Discord. And with that, he's a beta tester now as of today. So, like I said, there's many ways to become a beta tester. Obviously, we are super selective as of right now, and then we are slowly rolling it out to VIPs one by one. I'm actually going to be making a video shortly here, and then I'm going to be sending out to the VIP chat, because we do have a VIP chat specifically, and you guys will all get a sneak peek on everything, all the instructions, expectations, kind of rules of the Woodsbot.ai. And then once we get everybody on board, once everybody's watched the video, agrees to the instructions and rules, then you guys will be getting access probably within the next couple weeks here. So I'm not going to give a specific date. I'll let Woods do that, but more probably sooner than later. And for the beta testers, you guys know what the bot cooked up this last week. It's been pretty crazy. So I know that you guys can speak on that, and you guys have. And we'll go through some of the ultimate P&L. But yeah, guys. Again, we're just waiting for people to pile in, and then I'll start streaming, get some coffee in me, because like I said, I haven't slept at all. So yeah, Rash, it's crazy, crazy. Lots of tools we've implemented, lots of new ideas, lots of calls that me and Nate have had, as well as Woods, and lots of time goes into this, especially with the code. I mean, Native codes day and night. I don't think he sleeps more than 4 hours a night. So definitely shout out to Big Native. I mean, one of the best coders I've ever met. 1 second, guys. Just got to talk to somebody again real quick here. So one thing too, I want to just discuss really quick here and back as well, guys, is that there we do have that 1 million volume requirement. And then obviously, like I said, if you guys are very positive within the community, you guys bring something to the table with personality, you guys help out other people. Like I said, we are always looking to bring people on and give them, the appropriate access to the Discord that way. But also, the nice thing about the 1 million volume is, like, yes, it's a hump to get there. We are in a bull market, so we are expecting you guys to, at least hopefully make some money from obviously the Woodsbot, the tools that we offer right now. And then once you guys hit that 1 million volume mark, it should be, technically speaking, smooth sailing from there, because then you'll get access to woodsbot.ai, and then the 1 million volume should just be, just come super quick each month, right? So that is kind of the cool thing about that. Something that I really enjoy, like VIPs right now that are within that have beta testing. I'm sure you guys are hitting the 1 million volume super quick, just from the limits that are hitting from the bot being produced, right? Or from the limits that the bot are producing. So that is one of the really cool things about the ref kind of link, how we kind of maneuver the refs, because there's so many opportunity. Like I said, we don't hold your guys' money. You guys can move from ref to ref if you guys don't feel like the Woodsbot suits you. There's no heavy requirement as of yet. There's no subscription based anything.
Yo.
What's going on, Woodsy?
What's going on? How's everybody doing? Yeah, how's everyone doing? Everyone having a good day? What's going on? So good news. If anybody's here, who here that's a VIP? If anyone's a VIP, this news is for you mostly, and then we'll drop some news for the Mafia in a bit. But regarding Ultimate Bot, we're gonna go through a few things on stream with Dahl in reference to some trades that hit this week, just to go over and review some things to see how it's been going. General, like, the market's been super choppy, but the bot's been working, and we've been working. So for everyone that is using the ref, regardless, we're going to be coming out with new things, as we always do. We always like to give new automations. We always like to give new versions. So we're going to be coming out with a Woodsbot V3. We're going to be coming out with new automations. We're going to be coming out with new, just cool things in regards to just trading tools and stuff like that. As well as that, we have other cool things in the works. Like we're gonna work on generating our own charts. We're gonna work on a few more things I don't want to talk about right now. But in regards to Ultimate Bot, anybody that's a VIP, you will be getting free access to the bot. And you're going to be getting access to the bot relatively soon. So figure the next few weeks we're going to have that up and running for all VIPs. For everyone else, we're going to discuss how we're going to get it out to the general public. Um, I know a lot of people aren't using the ref in the Discord, and that's cool. That's okay. A lot of people are here for the Ultimate Bot as well. But it will be releasing soon. You know, I'm not one to just push out something unfinished. We've been working on this thing for like 5, 6 months, maybe even more. So you know, it's been in the works. If anybody's under Pocky's ref, we're gonna give you guys a little bit of an update in the chat that I created for you guys. If you guys are under Pocky's ref, we are gonna minimize the access to just the RSI bot. No hard feelings. We appreciate the support regardless. Just keep in mind that the support of everyone goes to this server. The only way we're able to build the server and keep it running is by the support from you guys. I don't ask for anything from anybody else, and I hope you guys understand that. As well as that, I think I pretty much covered what I wanted to cover there. The next thing we're just gonna do is go over some trades from the bot that it took the past few weeks or so, and go from there. Let me see if I just let me see if I missed anything really quick. I sound a little bit sick, guys, so apologize for coming on a bit late. So yeah, in regards to anybody that's using the ref, if you guys are using the ref and you put it in the UID section, you're good. You don't gotta switch over. If you guys are using Blowfin, you guys have access as long as you have the trial roll. We have yet to give you guys Mafia because we have to go through the book still. But that doesn't mean we're not watching. So yeah, it's about all that I'd say, guys. I'm gonna hop off, not hop off. I'm gonna be here, just get off the voice. I need to get off screens. But yeah, Big Doll's gonna take it over here, and we're gonna go over some trades that the bot took.
What's going on, guys? What's going on? Okay, I'm about 1 minute away from home. I just had to do something really quickly, and then I'm gonna be streaming real quick. So just bear with me, guys. As Woodsy has said, um, everything that he said is obviously in the works, and kind of just big piggybacked onto what I was saying. Lots of energy and time has gone into this. So, I'm super excited. Woods is super excited. Our whole team is super excited to bring this out. Go ahead, Woods.
Yeah, no problem, no problem. You're gonna get anybody that's producing over, let's say, like a million or two. You're gonna get access. Will there be a subscription based model in addition to volume? Yeah, we'll do a subscription based as well. No worries about that. No worries about that. Spam chat all you want, my brother. Spam chat all you want. What's up, stupid? Good to see you, bro. What's up, Yoka? Good to see you, my boy. Adrian, good to see you. Uriah. Yeah, the worst thing about me is I don't fucking give myself rest ever, but it is what it is. It is what it is. You don't make money sleeping. Well, you do make money sleeping, but you don't make many more advancements sleeping. So, trying to make as many advancements as we can.
Yo, can you guys hear me?
Yep.
All right, let's get going here. Get going here. All right, can everybody see my screen?
Yes.
All right, guys. So as you guys can see, I've kind of teased it within the dev role or the dev announcements. We have proximity alerts now. So the cool thing about proximity alerts is that, let's say, you do have some capital on the side, you haven't fully extended your clip with limits, because we do pump out a lot of limits, as you guys know. We now give out alerts when the limit is 1.5% away from your entry. Really cool tool. I'm super excited about this. I think that the beta testers currently have been absolutely sniping these, because these things are just this tool in general is very good to have. So
As you can see that we had lots of fills on the trade alerts. We had some cancellations today, but lots of fills on that cascade event that we had yesterday. So we had Adam fill, XLM, of course, Uni, BTC, C98, Matic, Link, so we're going to get into a lot of these, especially the BTC long. So because, if you do have a higher wallet, typically if you do have a bigger bag, oh my God, I just fumbled a huge trade. You want to play those high majors, right? So let me turn over to my trading view and let's go through some of these limits that hit yesterday. Okay, guys, just 1 second. Just gonna change windows and let's go over the big fumble that I just fumbled here on Avo. Huge fumble. I was wanting to sleep, so I ended up closing break even and fumbled a 9% move like a pussy, to be honest. Let me just take a look at the questions real quick. Haha, love it. Can be spelled with a W. Yo, what's happening, Jay Bergs? What's happening? All right, let's get into some of these trades here. Stop talking. Okay, so we had that Adam long, and I'm going to take some screenshots. I'm going to post them up onto my chart so that we can look at the entries that were filled specifically, so there's no questions about transparency. Because you guys already know we are the most transparent bot Discord out there. All right, so let's look at Adam. I'm going to clear the chart. And let's post up this limit. So we had a limit long at 12,909. That filled on that cascade event. Did I have that right? 12,909. We had a DCA bid at 12,845. So roughly right there. All right. And we have our stop losses like we've discussed in previous streams. As of right now, we have stop losses, all of them based around 5%. We are implementing some new things around stop losses as well as take profit. Still very early in development, but super solid development creative. He has discussed that a lot so far with us. But look at that, boys. I mean, on the Cascade event, we sniped the entry. Doesn't even come close to our stop loss. And we print more than 1R right there at 7%. Stop loss literally, not even close. 2%. And then a 5% invalidation. So beautiful trade by the bot. We got lots of P&L cards as well with that. All right, let's get into another one here. I'm just going to screenshot a couple more. Let's get into the BTC one, for instance. Because we all love trading BTC. That is king. Let's get in that. All right, I'm just going to go to a random chart. Let's go to Binance BTC USDT.p because I don't use this chart. All right, so we had that long at 69,483. Pull out our long tool, and somewhere around here, I'm assuming. 69,483. Oh, beautiful. You had a DCA bid. Oh, sorry guys, I just gotta take off this magnetic. 49, 483. You had a DCA bid at 49138. So roughly right there. Stop losses like we've discussed previously, 5%. Look at that. Hit for 6% obviously at the top and still riding. And you know what? Look at how the price came down. We sniped the entry, and then it doesn't even came down. The entry wasn't even retested. So again, another beautiful, beautiful play that our beta testers have caught. Let's go into another absolute bang here. Let me just check some things. Let me check the questions. Was the entry after DCAing Irish Dan? Nice, nice. Riding this BTC long, beautiful Irish Dan. Sorry, joined late. Any word on Blowfin blockage clearance? I'm at 1.3 million on March now. Can we please check when you get time? So Shaw and anybody that's on Blowfin right now, I have made a post in the dev announcements. So I hope you guys are paying attention to those. That we will get to everybody and we'll give them VIP access. We'll give them Mafia access before rolling out the Woodsbot.ai so that we make sure that all of our members, our family here, they're taken care of no matter what. Okay, guys? So no need to worry right now. We haven't been really rolling it out. Like I said, it's been just few people. So if you are under Blowfin, you still have full access to the Discord, and you guys will be getting VIP access. You guys are producing that volume. Okay. Just make that clear, and I'll touch base on that as well near the end of the stream. Okay, guys. See, native sniped that 2 for 5%. I TP'd at a sweep of all-time high personally. Now, native, did you personally take TP, or did the bot tell you to take TP at all-time high? Now, talk on that. No, don't you lie about that. The bot told me exactly. So, like I said, native is working on take profits as well as stop losses. We're going to be tightening those up and coming out with obviously a generated code that native has, as well as integration with AI. So again, something really to look forward to. All right, let's get into a couple more guys that filled yesterday on the Cascade event, and I'm going to screenshot. Let's go C98. C98 USDT.P. Okay, look at this. Again, for transparency reasons, you guys know that we are the most transparent bot Discord out there. Again, guys, too, I don't want to talk too much on that because it's just giving other people light, but there is a lot of fake actors, bad actors out there that will say they are producing something that isn't what it seems. So just be aware of that.
Yeah, no, the bot's good. The bot's good. I don't think we gotta tell you guys that there's people out there that yeah, it's just not even a comparison. There's no need to bring anybody up. There's literally no comparison, including KuCoin and Bybit and Blowfin and FakeGet, all that straight up.
Look at this place. Like, who does it? Who does it like the boys, man? Like, this is just dirty. This is a dirty, dirty trade. Like, oh my God. Like we talk about 5% invalidation. All right. Doesn't even come near the invalidation. We can, you know what? Like, got filled yesterday. Beautiful, beautiful. Up 14% at the highs, currently up 10%, or 9.6%, sorry, at current price action. Beautiful, beautiful trade. We'll go over link as well, since that is a high cap. So we'll go over some high caps as well, like we have been. Let's go over link. Like trade long filled. Now, again, guys, too, just a reminder, we do the exchange that we collect most of the data from is Bybit, but the reason why I'm using Binance charts right now is because my charts are filled with TA and yeah, so I don't really want to mess that up. So yesterday we were filled on this. The entry was 19,519. Obviously, we had that DCA bid. Did it get even touched? No. Now this is very, very impressive here. can tell, like what we said, 5% invalidation each trade. As of right now, doesn't even come near entry again, just up only. Stops already break even, 7% at the highs, 5%, 4.5% at current price action. Beautiful, beautiful trade. Now, 1 second, I'm going to screenshot one more thing, and I got to edit some things out. Not edit, sorry, just block some things out so you guys can't see everything. But you guys are going to be super impressed with what Native has implemented recently within this week. And I will show you guys momentarily. Let me just do a quick little cover up here. Okay. Can you guys see this? Can you guys see the high volume and low volume here, the screenshot that I have? Yes? Okay. All right, let me go over some of this thing. Obviously, you guys have seen this before. Woods has given you lots of sneak peeks, entries. You guys know you've seen this before. If you guys haven't, basically, this is where our trades that are active go. All right, so here I'm gonna mute Woodsy 1 second here. Sorry, guys. Woodsy. Woodsy, do you mind muting real quick? You're getting some feedback. There we go. Perfect. Thank you, brother. All right, so if you guys don't know what this is where our trades active section. So basically, once the bot generates a trade, it will alert the group, and then it will go within this little section that we have. So you guys can go in and see what trades have been filled and what trades haven't been filled. Again, this has been implemented. That's new. Sorry, guys, just reading some things. Let me just get back to it. Let me get back on task. So yeah, like I said, this is where the trades will go, the limit orders that haven't been filled. So you guys can go in and take a look at, setting some limit orders on these trades. Now we generate these, we categorize these by high volume, medium volume, low volume, and very low volume. Obviously, very low volume. You know what? Like you probably don't want to put a ton of size on. Now everybody can put any size on any of these. High volume, you can probably get away with a little bit more size. The big dogs, the big players, the market makers will always play high caps instead of low caps. That's the only thing I'm trying to get at with that. Now, we have these stars on the side. So we integrated what I like to call the star system. Native might have a different term for it, but I like to call it the star system. Okay, so the star system basically will tell you guys high probability plays that will most from a full gold star to a medium star to a quarter star and then to the black stars. All right, so like I said, this is still very early in development. We are still adding this into the suite of things. But as you can see, we have DAR, quarter star, CHZ, a quarter star, Unify, a little bit higher than that's a quarter star, sorry. And so basically what that means is that trade will most likely hit, most likely will fill, and most likely will go into profit. All right. See, Native has something that I haven't shown you guys yet that I don't want to. Oh yeah, so what BTC looked like before. So yes, BTC had a full gold star. So obviously that will give you guys confidence in that trade. I'm not telling you to size up when you guys see that. You guys can make that assumption on yourself. But what I personally size up with what I've seen, probably, I'm not going to lie to you guys. Okay. I would probably size up when I see that. I heard full port. Definitely never full port. We always preach risk management. Always, because you know what, the moment that it's like Darwin's law. Okay, if it can happen, it will. And I'm sure that you guys have all fallen victim to this. I know I have, where you start gaining some confidence, you start smashing out trades, you start building that port up, and as soon as you start getting cocky, you know what, you take a losing trade. So like I said, Darwin's law is a very, very real thing. Um, no, is it? Yeah, thank you, David. Yeah, it's fucking sorry, what was it? Murphy's Law. Murphy's Law. Yeah. This is why I'm not in school. This is why I'm not a teacher. All right. So yeah, guys, we always preach risk management. We never want you to Thorfinn Law. Yeah, technically, I'm an idiot. Sorry, guys, that was dumb. We never want you guys to go full port on anything, really. Okay. All right, so I'm pulling this up here. Let's get into some of the ultimate P&L. I already teased this on our Twitter earlier today. But you can just tell, guys. So we went over the BTC trade. You know, our beta testers are absolutely printing off of this. Irish Dan, like he said, he's still in play. You know, we went over Link as well. Right here, lots of our beta testers took that play, are in mega profit. Again, rookie took the play, our beta tester. Lots of trades, guys. Lots of trades. Mask that we went over earlier as well. So our beta testers are absolutely printing. Again, guys, I sneak peeked this as well earlier. Trades active. That's where you see the list of limit orders that haven't been filled yet. So you'll go into there.
You want to flash that again real quick?
What's that?
You want to flash that again real quick?
The trades active?
Yeah.
I don't know if I want to do. I don't know if I want to give them the sauce.
Flash that real quick. Just real quick.
All right, as you can see, right? I just took a screenshot of it. Boom, there you go.
Beautiful. So the active trades, that's why I wanted you guys to see real quick. You get to see what trades are active, and if you have the trade alerts, obviously it'll tell you that a trade was given. What that does and why it's so significant is if you're feeling FOMO or anything, and you're not in a position right now, and you're just out of the market, and we're at resistance. Because we're at resistance, we're getting these slight crazy pullbacks, and they just get reverted back up. You can look at what the trading bot is doing, and you can form a bias around that. So when price came down to the level it was at yesterday, I mean, I was long in there too. So just if you feel that's a bottom, you could literally position yourself on anything. If you position yourself on anything at the bottom where the bot long, you were long, so you have a directional bias without even having to look at anything. And that's what the goal of the Woodsbot Discord as a whole is to really not, it's a place where you don't even need a chart really. Obviously, we would, it's always nice to have a chart. You should always have a chart regardless. But what this is doing is it's a place where you don't even have to have a chart, right? We have so many automations. We have a support resistance bot for everything. We have a liquidation bot that we just came out with, right? We got the volume bot, we have the heat maps, we have the top gainers, top losers, the EMA 200, the structure bots, the RSI index automations, the alerts, the high blog bot. I mean, the list goes on. So what everything is doing, it's just coming together nicely, and you really don't need a chart. Like if you play your money, or if you play your cards right, and you understand what you're doing, you really don't need a chart, and it's free. It's completely free. The only thing that will possibly cost is the ultimate bot, and that'll only be for people that aren't VIP. If you're VIP and you're trading with your main accounts, I mean, if you're trading with your main accounts, you should have enough volume to be a VIP. I do like 1 million a day, so I can only imagine how easy it is to get 1 million, especially in this terrain. That's all we ask, guys. That's all we ask. So let you get back into it though.
So as you guys can see too, we've implemented these roles, so you guys are going to be constantly getting alerted when trades are getting failed. Like we talked about, proximity alerts. So when you guys do become a VIP, I will specifically give you guys these roles manually. So you will have these new roles that differentiate between all the other roles within the Discord. So that is another thing that's really cool about this section. I should probably hide this because you guys can't see this. Actually, I'll show you this a little bit. This is the unreleased version. I'm not going to go into it. I'm not going to click anything. So just a little sneak peek of what we're working on. Like Woods was saying at the beginning, we are, we are working on V3 right now. We are still in the very early stages, but V3 is going to be like every other bot that we've implemented. Just going to continually progress as we create bots and as we take over the space, to be honest. So The next bot, every bot that we create is just better than the last bot. You know what I mean? All of our bots are awesome, but we are constantly getting better at this and the products that we bring out, as well as we've been adding on to our products. Something that I take great pride in is that we continually update our products, and I want to spend some time in this because one of my favorite personally bots, the RSI bot, we continually add on to it. We continually to you know make it more accurate, sorry, as well as we have a little bit more cosmetics. So I spent a great amount of time getting these done. I'm really happy with them. Honestly, I think they're super sexy. um, it's not always us discussing new bots. It's I don't think I know a lot of some of you guys understand the work that gets put into this, but I don't think you understand all the little things that matter. You know what I mean? Like getting these new RSI divergence cards, or um, adding on to bots, or making them a little bit more better each day. You know what I mean? So a couple of new bots that we do have here too, guys. We have the volume bot, as you guys know. I hope you guys are utilizing these with the automations. We have the EMA 200s. We have the lick majors, which is really new, as well as the lick alts. And I want to talk about the lick alts. So the cool thing about the lick alts here, guys, is that it's dynamic, meaning that it's constantly alternating between the alts. So the alts that are coming in with liquidations is going to alternate. As you guys know, with our, let's say, our side divergence spot, the 30-minute as well as the daily, the alts, we are limited to the amount of alts that we can have and produce RSI divergences for. Now we are constantly changing it so that we're adding new alts and things like that. But with the liquidation alts, it is dynamic. It's constantly adding in new alts, which is really cool. So again, guys, that is something new. Everybody that is a Mafia or VIP or V2 trials right now, if you are Blowfin, you guys all have access to that, all right? Friends and family. So I hope you guys are all taking advantage of these new bots here. And of course, one of my favorites as well is we have the support and resistance spot. If you guys are a student, you guys obviously don't see any of these.
Wait, just real quick. I just want to add that real quick. I've been noticing also, guys, that a lot of people, I give chances that like you don't have to be a VIP necessarily trading volume. I gave chances to everybody the past couple months. If you're giving feedback on the bots, you're giving help, you're showing people how you're utilizing the bots, we'll give you free access. Like, make no mistake, you don't have it'll take a lot more work and a lot more dedication, but don't, we give away a lot for free, so don't feel like you have to trade all the volume to get VIP. But very selective people are going to get VIP from not trading volume. So if you're putting in a lot of work and you're helping around the Discord, you're doing your part, we'll give you VIP. And there's a few people that we've given a VIP to for not even trading the volume significantly, so they could speak for that if they want to. But just wanted to add that real quick, 'cause I've been noticing not a lot of people do that and take advantage of that, which is no problem, But yeah,
Yeah, guys, like I was talking about in the beginning of the stream, we've recently give Horea full access to the beta testing, and he has full access to all the bots right now. And it's just because he's a generally positive attitude within the group, helps out people. He brings something to the table with his personality, and and we give him access. So we appreciate that. We look into that, and we don't neglect positivity, loyalty. Um, we don't neglect any of that. Currently at 1.7 million savage, yeah. Ryu, I got you, bro. Sorry, man. It's been a pretty busy last couple of weeks for me, so I apologize for not getting back to you, but we will continue that conversation, brother. Something that I look forward to. Ryu too, man. You're very positive and very active too. So you already have V2 trials, but don't be surprised if one day you wake up and you have that nice purple name. So keep up the good work, brother. Keep up the good work. Elon, I'm brand new to Bluffing. Can I pay money to access spots to use them exclusively to build up the trading volume, or just pay to use them in general? Yes, Elon. So as of right now, you have to be a VIP to get access or the select few. We are still rolling out the VIP access. So the Woodsbot.ai is still unreleased, but you will have that option to pay subscriptions based soon. We don't have a specific date for that yet. Again, guys, too, yeah. Now for the students in here, I know there's a decent any ballpark on the cost for the sub? No, dude with camera, we haven't really discussed any type of pay, but obviously we are very reasonable, um, and we understand that everybody's situation is a little bit different. So you know what, we're gonna be more information to come on that. Okay, guys. I mean, I have more. Yeah, you're the server booster. We gotta change
Yeah,
that
when it
color.
comes to pay, we'll probably be doing like we're gonna do a fair amount. We're gonna be giving half off to Mafia, and we're gonna be giving free access to VIP. So that's how it's gonna work out. If you're VIP, you get free access. If you're Mafia, you get half off. Anybody that's in Discord gets 25% off. So I just recommend using the ref. You'll always uh highly benefit from it. And when you're using the bot, like it flashed the actives. We just had a whole bunch of orders fill yesterday. It just gave a whole bunch of orders again. So it's constantly working. So if you figure whatever the price is, if you put in a few, you make a few $100s, you're paying for it yourself. It doesn't even matter at that point. So it's going to be fair. But I always recommend using the ref. You help support and you give yourself, a lot off. So make sure to do it.
Absolutely,
All right,
absolutely.
Gatal. I'll give you my wallet, bro.
Irish Dan, I was happy supporting you boys on socials even before getting the chance to beta test. But what an absolute gift it's been. I can't thank you guys enough. The hard work is obvious and it's great to see. Keep it up, lads. We appreciate you, Irish Dan. You're one of the hardest workers within the Woodsbot, and man, it's a pleasure having you a part of the team as well, man. So definitely super happy to have you on board. You are a great asset. Um, and always, we'll always support you as well. That's the great thing about this family, this community, is that we are, me and Woods, probably more Woods than I, give the benefit of the doubt to people. We give a lot of chances to people, and like Woods was saying, you have a lot of opportunity to get access to these bots for free, by just being a positive figure within the group, having a great personality. BTC Brent, we're happy for that. Now we do have a lot of students, guys, within this stream right now. So I'm just gonna quickly go through all of the bots that we have. As always, guys, you guys can always go take a look and get sneak peeks on our YouTube. We have lots and lots of videos on how to trade with the bots, how to use the bots, multiple bots as confluences within your trading, as well as like we've discussed prior. It's really a time saver. And what is the most um, valuable asset in the world, and that's time. And that's something that we take pride in saving you that. That's why, we are creating a bot that gives you specific limit entries that snipes plays. We're saving you time and we're making you money. I mean, it's a no-brainer at that. So let's get into some of the bots, guys. Obviously we have the bot playbacks. If you guys are new here, you guys can just go in here and take a look at how we combine confluences, as well as how strong the RSI divergence is. One of my favorite bots, like I said. As you can see here too, we have the talisman going over how he specifically combined two of our bots as a confluence to take a trade on BTC here for a 30 or for 17% move. So big hats off to the talisman, as well as Dilio, Cypress. You guys are putting great work into the bot playbacks, and just really showcasing how we use the bots, specifically our current bots. Now we do have the bot previews. You guys have already seen this. Obviously, this is the blurred out version. Not a whole lot here, just some previews for you guys. Bot testimonials. These are the guys that have been using the bots, utilizing them. So you can see that there's a very solid use case for everything. Bot suggestions. This is where you guys can go in and suggest specific bots that, let's say if you guys have a trading strategy and you guys feel like you want to be alerted for that specific trading strategy. Let's say if you EMAs or RSI divergences like we do have, you guys can put your suggestions there, and we'll get to them, and we'll try to build you guys a product for your specific needs. Support and resistance bot, you guys already know what this is. I'm just going to go quickly over it. Generates a chart, beautiful chart, generates areas of interest. Alt version of it, like majors, we've already went through this. Alts, we went through this. Volume, we went through this. RSI heat maps, again, one of my favorite bots that we produce. Comes out with a nice little heat map for you guys. Gainers and losers. Tell you what's up and what's down on the day. EMA. We have lots and lots of videos, guys, on this. Structure bot. Maps out the higher highs and higher lows. And of course, one of our most popular bots, the RSI bot indexes, majors, alts. Personally, one of my favorites right here, the RSI 30 minutes. The alt 30 minute. Again, guys, too, as many of you know, students you may not know, we also integrate OBV indicator within these. So you're also getting an RSI alert as well as an OBV alert. As you can see that we just have OBV specifically in some of them, and we just have RSI specifically in some of them. And then we also have both. Like on Phantom here, you have RSI and OBV. So we dabble with a little bit of gold, SPX, and then we have those specific video instructions. High block bot, one of our favorite bots as well here, generates a heat map for BTC, generates liquidations levels for BTC, alts, and many more there. We also have video instructions for that. Monday range. It alerts you when Monday highs are swept as well as Monday lows are swept. Very, very solid bot. We also have video instructions for that. And then lastly, we have the V1 alert bot that generates basically Woods's and I's trading view alerts specifically. So, you know what, if you want to trade like a big dog, you want to see what Woods is staring at, you guys will go to Mav when you guys get alerted on this, and you can see what he's looking at specifically. And then same with me, guys, as well. You can see me trading a bunch of shit coins because I love trading the shit coins. That's pretty much it, guys. If there's any questions, let's spend a little bit moment for questions. Let me know if you guys have any questions for me or Woods, and we can answer them. Silver is moving nice lately too. Very nice, very nice. Any plans to add NASDAQ? Absolutely, we can add that for you, dude, with camera.
We could do
100%.
anything you guys want, guys. Like if you guys have access to the bots, and I mean not anything, but majority of things we could do. So if you guys have any suggestions, make sure you're putting them in the bot suggestion. We'll be able to cook up whatever. Like the reason if you guys are using the ref and you guys are supporting us and you guys want to put a suggestion in, and we could come up with that. So make sure you're doing that, because if it makes your life easy, it probably is going to make other people's life easy. So we're open to the ideas of everything. We have a lot in the works. Native, would you like to put down a little bit of your to-dos, man? Just like a few hints you want to give people of what you're working on? I know you got a big. You don't got to give the whole to-do list. Maybe just like a slither of it. Maybe like top 3 priority things that we're working on. Maybe we could do that.
By to we have a character with it.
Yeah, top 3 you're working on right now, or top 2. But yeah, guys, if you have any suggestions, let's say you guys use just an example. If you guys use open interest and you guys use that indicator and it helps you out in trading, we can code something that makes your life easier so you don't even have to look at open interest, and that, which we are working on. But you know what I'm saying, you guys don't have to do that. Yeah, I know, working on it. That's just an example. Like if you guys do, you know what I'm saying, like we have what do we have in regards to indicators right now? We have a let me take a look at it. We have the EMA 200 is a good example. If you guys use EMA, then you guys would use that automation. We have the volume one as well. That's not necessarily an indicator, but it shows you the highest volume. We have the structure one, which is nice, so you can see what structure things are in. We had I believe we had a few other indicators. But if you guys have anything that you guys want us to make or any suggestion, just let us. You know what I'm saying? Just let us know, and we'll take care of it. We'll take care of it. It might take a little bit of time, but we will take care of it. Speaking of which, I've actually been wanting to work on something. I'm gonna hit you up later.
Like I previously discussed, guys, we're in the business of saving you guys time and making you money. I mean, that's what our business model is. You know, we are the future of trading bots and tools. We take pride in that. And yeah, guys. Woods, we should talk a little bit, maybe give some people a little bit sneak peek of V3, kind of the plans that we have in place for that. We have lots of plans with that, and
Yeah, so a few different plans that I have, guys, and something to make you guys a little bit excited for is we have, like, you guys know how we have these automations where in the Woodsbot V2 you guys can click on whatever, you guys can click on the top gainers, you guys can click on the volume, you guys can click on the RSI heat map, et cetera, et cetera. So what I want to do, and it might not be V3, but this is an idea that we have, is how the ultimate bot projects its trades. We want to create an automation where, let's say, if you're looking at, I don't know, ARB, you guys are looking at ARB, and you want a good area to enter an ARB. Like, let's say it's at resistance now. You don't know if you should enter it or not, and you want to seek a setup for ARB. We're going to attempt to create an automation where, as opposed to just a trade bot giving out the trades, we'll create an automation where you could click on ARB and it'll give you a good level to bid. So we'll take into account 3 years of price action. We'll use our support resistance charts that we have already, and we'll just automate it for you. So you don't even have to configure the levels yourself. We'll automate ARB. It'll say, okay, it looks good around this level. This is where you should buy, or this is where you should bid, and that's it. So that's the idea. I don't know if that'll be V3, but that is an idea that we're working on. We want to make sure it's perfect because it's more or less like I can open up any single chart and I can look at a level to bid. Why wouldn't a bot be able to do that? So that's what I'm you know what I'm saying? That's the idea basically, and I think that's going to be beautiful whenever this comes out. So if you use the ref, you get free access to all those. The Ultimate Bot is going to be the only thing that we're going to charge anybody for. VIPs get free access, and it's it's not very low volume, but it is low enough that the average person trading with $1,000 portfolio can reach. I know that for a fact because I do that. I could literally trade with $1,000 portfolio and generate $1 million volume. I know how to do that. And if you trade on leverage, you should be able to do that too, I would assume. And if not, you know what I'm saying? There's a lot of other ways to get it. But yeah, is there anything else we should chat about before we hop off? I don't want to take too much of your guys' time. I know it's been a little bit. I know you guys appreciate it anyway. I appreciate that, Axe. Thank you, bro. Axe has been killing it as well. We let him get. Wait, Axe, are you in the Ultimate Bot as well, bro?
oh yeah, definitely.
Oh yes. So Axe has been printing. I appreciate that, bro. Thank you. So we'll create a giveaway for Axe as well. I don't know if we have already or not, but we'll create a giveaway for everyone that's in Mafia for him. I appreciate that, bro. And I'll even add on to that as well. So I'll match the $100. He'll give away 100. I'll give away 100. We'll match that. But yeah, that's pretty much what we have working out, guys. So I appreciate all the support. What would be cool, and I see a lot of suggestions for that, is if we could create like a text screener automation for on-chain coins. That would be kind of cool. I don't know how likely that is, but it'd be cool to have that. So we'll see what we could cook on. I'll have to talk with Native and Doll after and see what type of automations we could work on, what type of bots we could work on and shit like that. And we also have a lot of other like goals in the works, I should say. These are like long term, I would say, like mid to long term projects where we want to create our own charts. So like how we have that support resistance automation where you can click on ETH, let's say on the 4 hour, it'll project all the levels for ETH on the 4 hour. We want to create on a chart. We want to create like a almost like a trading view of our own where you guys really won't have to do anything. Like that'll be where you guys really don't have to look at a chart. So it'll be a chart with all the levels already on it. The demand zone's already printed out on the chart, and really just the easiest confluences to use and trade already on the chart planted for you. So that's what we're going to be working on. We had ideas about opening our own exchanges and shit like that, which is possible. I see people have their own prop firm shit and stuff like that. I'm not going to open no prop firm, but you can trade pairs on that, and I assume that that's possible with us. So there's a lot more in the works, and yeah, if you're in now, you're in early. I gotta say, because who knows, we might come out with a meme coin that pumps. We give you guys all the. I'm just fucking with you. I'll never do that.
We're not in that kind of business. We're not gonna, yeah.
I'm just playing with you guys, but I mean, who knows?
Yeah, well, that's funny. So, we had a question about Teal Street integration, Revel Oaks. It has been in the talks. I have discussed that possibility with Teal Street myself. Again, it's a possibility. I would still need to have a lot of discussions, a lot of meetings with those guys, but we've had meetings and they've gone very well. As you guys know, we do have a P&L now generated on Teal Street. We also have a ref link code that you guys can sign up with and support that way as well. And you know what? We always love seeing that P&L card everywhere. And you know what? We might do a giveaway in the future for the highest P&L card or the most P&L card with the Woodsbot Teal Street P&L card. All right, guys.
Yeah, and look, guys, I'm gonna be completely honest, and this isn't to shade anybody or anything, because like I said, you guys could support who you want. There's nothing against that. I respect the game. I respect the hustle. I hustle for what I get. If like our main target audience for the Ultimate Bot, when it comes to who's gonna pay, is people that aren't using the ref link. Clearly. So we don't really want to charge our supporters. That's why we're giving all these incentives to get VIP. We want to give our VIPs the most because that's literally the people that drive the server. Without the VIPs, it wouldn't be a portion of what it is. So the VIPs drive the server. We want the VIPs to eat, and we want the Mafia to eat as well. So if you're a Mafia and you can't necessarily generate VIP volume, or even if you're not, you know what I'm saying, because you could do a lot more to get VIP, we're going to be giving you half off regardless. And people that are in the Discord as well will give a piece off of it off. But we're mostly targeting people that aren't supporting. That's our target audience. And I want to be transparent with that as well. So
Star Cedar Rebel current group members. That's funny. Already about as amazing. Just up. Nice, bro. Appreciate that the feedback.
and the reason also the reason I tell everyone they're here early and shit is because I have yet to have anybody push for me. You know what I'm saying? I don't have anybody really pushing the Woodsbot for me because I wanted to see how organic I could grow this on my own. You know, on Twitter and shit, and however small shilling I have done in Wealth Group, very small shilling, if that. And it's been very good. We have 5,000 people in the Discord. We have about 400 people supporting. We have about X amount of VIPs. I'm not sure about. So 5,000 people in the Discord, 400 people supporting. You know, you do the math. That's why our target audience is people not supporting. But the people that are supporting, we want to let eat. So that's the main purpose about supporting. And the reason I tell you guys you're here early is because, like I said, I haven't had anybody help me push. The moment I do have people help me push, it's going to go skyrocket. And I know that for a fact. That's why I haven't yet done it, because I wanted to bring the product and I wanted to bring it to you guys and let people come in early. And it's going to be a lot harder to get to everybody. So the people that are here early are going to be the ones that are, you know what I'm saying, like you guys are the ones that we already are in conversation with, in communication with. So we might actually create a separate role in the future. So people that are Mafia are going to keep Mafia. People that come later on, let's say if I have people begin to push me, and the product, it's going to go way higher. So we'll probably create a new role. We'll probably have to end up creating a new role for that regardless. So yeah.
Tatel says 9-fig enterprise in the making here. Absolutely, bro.
Actually, you know what, bro? What I want to do is I want to have like I want the Mafia role to cut off after the Ultimate Bot drops the VIPs. So anybody that wants Mafia role has to get Mafia role before April is out. The moment April gets out, no more Mafia is coming on. So if you're not supporting, make sure you do get Mafia role. If you are a Blowfin, don't worry, you have Mafia role. You're just not on it yet, but you do have anything they get. If you're on trial, you're gonna automatically get Mafia. Don't worry about that. Anybody that doesn't have Mafia, make sure you get it, because I'm not giving anybody else Mafia after April. I'll create a whole new role, and it'll probably come with less. So, or it will come with less. So anybody that's here, like I said, you're here early. We gotta make sure you guys eat. And yeah, I'm gonna create a coin and release it to you guys, and then I'll nuke that coin.
No, no.
I just talk a deal. I just
I
talk a
would
deal.
never,
Nah,
that would never happen.
I mean, maybe. Never know.
You kill me, bro.
We might just all have to hop in together and release it to the public.
Yeah. Well,
I'm just talking. I just talking to you. Nah, but yeah. So I want no. You are good, Jirion. Remember, guys. You guys cannot get it confused. If you guys put your blowfin. Oh yeah, you're good. You're good. If you guys are on blowfin, you guys have the trial roll. You guys are mafia. You just don't have it yet because we have yet to look through who's actually still trading. So what we did is we go through the UIDs, but we haven't yet placed the tags. We have yet to go to that because there's a lot of people on Blowfin. So really, all we're doing now is monitoring who's using Blowfin. That's all we're doing right now. We're not changing the roles yet until April probably. So you're good. You're good.
speaking of that, guys, make sure you guys are trading volume because I will be laying the hammer soon on that. So I know that some of you guys aren't trading consistently on Blowfin. So just know you will be getting the hammer soon, and you're going to be demoted back down to student role. If you guys aren't
Swiftly,
consistently trading.
swiftly, swiftly,
Yeah, and I take
swiftly. Too swift.
I take no survivors. You know what I mean? I definitely take no survivors. I am not what's the word? You know, you guys can cry to me all you want about blah blah blah, like, oh, I didn't know I had to trade actively, or oh, I didn't know that.
Nah, see, guys, it's super easy, man. If you guys are on vacation, we aren't in the business of revoking access. And the reason I bring all this up now is because these are a lot of questions people do give us. If you guys are using the ref and you guys are going on vacation, who the fuck am I to take you off? I'm not cold. Just tell us you're going on vacation or whatever. We're not going to remove you. Like, we only remove people that are blatantly inactive or just switching refs. And we see that. I can see when people withdraw their money. I can see when people how much they trade with. I can see if they trade. I can see all that. So it's not, you know what I'm saying? I know who's changed refs. I know who moves over to another person. I know who's doing that and who's utilizing the way they do. I want people that are supporting us to have access and to eat. That's it. Like it's no hard feelings.
Yeah, we're very generous guys too. Like very very generous when it comes to that. I mean, I look at the books every day. I'm watching the books. I know who's trading with size or who isn't trading with size or and you know what? I just know that we're very generous with it. And you know what? I'm not dumb. You know, like Wood says, we can see who's a part of our ref and who isn't and who's trying to lie to us. So just make sure that you guys are, your morals and ethics are aligned and you guys don't have to lie to us. You know, we're very understanding people. No, just no point in it, honestly. You're just ruining your reputation when you guys lie to me. So, something I don't like seeing. So, um, any other questions, guys? Looking forward to it, guys. I've been taking a break and haven't traded, but I should be back next week on Bybit. OP Funds, no worries, bro. I'm glad to see you in here. You're one of the boys, so can confirm that Dow and Woods legit saved me from landing on the street after I lost all my money. Most genuine guys I know. We appreciate you, Jatel. Likewise, man. You got a lot. You have a very bright future ahead of you, Jatel. Very bright. I like other exchanges more, but I use Femex as my main account to support you guys. And Balaz, appreciate that, man. Again, guys, something that I want to shed light on too is the RNS ID or the Plow ID. Okay, guys. If you guys like exchanges and you guys are restricted due to KYC, you guys have that option to sign up with Palau. Again, I'm not trying to shameless shill anything like that. We get nothing from Palau ID for that. But if you guys like Bybit, you guys have that option. And you know, if you guys want to switch over to that, you guys can, and just make sure you guys sign up with our ref link, and you guys will have access. So we do have lots of alternatives if you guys like certain exchange. We have write ups as well as a video coming out for Palau on how to sign up. And you guys have that option. I personally use Palau. Woods uses Palau. A lot of the moderators use Palau, as
I
well as
live in Wow.
I live. Yeah. Palau is the best place to live. So, you guys have lots of options. You know what I mean. So, lots of options. All right, let's take a look and see if I missed any questions. Suchol says all colors and roles are beautiful and don't be told otherwise. We appreciate you, brother. Haraya, again, I can't tell you guys enough. That dude's a goat. Future proof. I mean, there's a lot of talk and discussions about that people would agree with you, Reblox. I would agree with you as well with that statement. Practicing and learning. Lakey says, I'm testing it every day and practicing and learning. I can say it really helps and helps me learn more. Again, that's another great benefit. A lot of educational content within the videos on YouTube, guys, as well. What proportion of AI trades are false positives, i.e., don't get filled? Native, do we have a percentage on that? I can get you percentages and statistics on that. We do, like, trades get canceled every day. A trade will get invalidated or a trade will go without us. But I can get you some statistics for that. I don't have a general statistics for that as of right now. I will need to look at giving me a short time. Yeah, Native will get that for you, bro. So far, Palau, yeah. All right, guys. If that's it for questions, I think me and Woods covered everything. We'll give you another about 5-ish minutes to ask any questions if you guys have it. And this can be about anything. If you want to know if Woods is single, if Woods likes, backwoods. You guys can ask him anything, as well as me. Appreciate you over the detail and much. Mellow Mash, yes, bro. And I see your questions every day about getting Mafia. Again, bro, you're gonna be at the top of my priority list to get you that Mafia roll. People love the red name, man. It's crazy. It's what to say. Woods is currently dating Big Dal. Yeah, straight up, man. Text him every day. 42% fills in the last 100 trades. Okay, so that's there you go, Crypto JG. But another thing, Crypto JG as well, right? So like we talked about, that's why we implemented the proximity alerts. So like we do tend to get front ran on some trades. So you have that option to go in if you get alerted, check out the chart, see if make an educated decision of what probability of you are you going to get front ran, are you going to get filled or not. That's kind of the things that we are implementing and we're taking account for. Woods, I'm gonna have to roll you back, Woods, in your honor. Absolutely, man. You gotta do that for the boy. Glad I could join the stream. Thank you, big dogs. Appreciate you coming by, Jaren, man. We're gonna be doing lots of these in the future. So looking forward to trying out Crypto JG. Yeah, dude, you're gonna love it. You are gonna love it, bro. Again, I think you messaged me today in active questions. Was that you? Yeah, I will be as soon as the stream ends, bro. I'm gonna be looking at your UID and making sure that you guys get the right role. Can we ask questions regarding WG and Dubai? Absolutely. Woods will answer these questions.
Relevant. What's going on?
Arash is asked, what's your question, Arash?
If anyone's out in Dubai, let me know. I'd love to meet you guys.
Unfortunately, guys, I will not be in Dubai. Only Woods, only the big dog.
Only the big dog. I'll be there with Johnny.
Well, fire. Arash is going to meet you boys.
Let's go. The newsman himself.
When Woodsbot meet up, that's going to be coming sooner than you guys think, to be honest.
The Woodsbot meet is going to be in wherever. Yeah, that'd be fire, actually. Let you guys know. Oh, also, guys, if anybody's using the bot and you guys talk to anybody outside of the group or just outside, like if you guys are testing it, and you guys are talking to people about it outside of the group, I'm just gonna not even let you get access. I know who does it sometimes, and I'm pretty fair, so I will let you guys do what you want to do.
Like I said, for the VIPs in Tier 2, I'll be coming out with a video of great detail regarding a lot of the expectations and standards that we're going to be setting. So keep an eye out for that. Obviously, what Woods just stated there is going to be in that video. Okay, guys. Yeah, I don't think people realize how small of a space this really is, and how many people Woods knows. As well as I'm pretty tapped into the space, not as much as Woods is, but we have ears and eyes everywhere. So we know who's trying to slight us in any way. Is it okay if I talk with my manager friend? Ryu, you're funny, bro. I'm safe. I'm all alone here. Yeah. Okay, guys, I think that's pretty much it. We appreciate you guys coming by and spending some time with us. Ryu, you can DM me whenever, Ryu. If I don't answer you, just keep DMing me. Just hit me up all day, every day. It's all good, my boy. I got you, bro. I'll DM you after this too. Got you. I got you. Even as Dill's one of my boys. He DMs me, and then I can't even get back to him sometimes.
I'm gonna create a meme coin.
That's the new wave now. Everybody's creating a meme coin.
There. Everybody here would print if I created a meme coin. I guarantee you. I guarantee it.
What
I'm just joking, guys.
hypothetically?
Morning wood coin.
What
I guarantee you, if I put a coin out there called Woods.ai, guarantee it flies.
what exchange would you use, or what coin would you use? Sol?
I would use Woods coin.
Woods? No, but like what chain? What chain would
I
you
would
use?
use Woods chain.
Woods just to create a full ass chain. That's funny.
Exactly. We got to create our own exchange ecosystem. We got to create our own coin, our own tools, indicators. We could create our own market too.
That'd be fire. You ready? Yeah, Native would be getting put to work for that.
I had native. You ready? Men's born ready. Create a coin, use it for the bot. Like 1,000 Woods AI coin, you get one trade. That's honestly, I'm not even like I see people creating meme coins out here that I feel like had no business doing it, but they are and they're making money doing it. I'm not gonna say names, but it's hilarious seeing it. So
It's crazy, man. It's
you
crazy.
got to get to the bag one way or another. And if you guys are here early, you can't complain. You guys are all gonna eat.
I know you guys will get to Blowfin Trader soon, but these P&L screenshots are teasing too much.
You know what?
Again,
Here, bro. If anybody's using Blowfin, send your UID right now. I'll check it right now. If you guys are VIP, I'll check it right now. And we'll keep the trial roll and the VIP roll so that when we have to go back and check, we'll know why we gave it to you. So right now, just because you're in the stream, hit me with your UID. I'll check right now. I got you. Just give me a second.
hey, wrong message.
Yeah, but if anybody's in Dubai, yeah, just let me know. I'm gonna be flying out there next month.
Anyone here from Kappa? Yeah.
Capo, my boy Capo.
I will dump Woods coin on fools accordingly.
Are you sure that's your UID, Shah?
Let's Woodsy, let's hold off on that because I wanna fucking
No, I got you. I got you. I just want to hook them up right now, just because they're in stream. We're just gonna hook a few people right here. There's only like 2 or 3 people, probably,
Yeah.
or 4. Dump what's going on fools accordingly. Yeah. We allow it to pump into the next bull run, and then we sell on retail in 2026. Easy. And by the time we flip it, it's gonna be so high anyway.
I fumbled.
Especially right now. Trust me on that. Especially right now, where everyone's buying shit. Everybody's buying shit. All right, Shy, you did 1.5. Yeah, you're good. You're good. You just gotta keep and maintain it, bro.
All right, I'll add him.
Yeah, you could add him.
I gotta keep the books here.
Yeah, just keep the trial rolls so you know, like, we gave it to him on Blowfin. We just have to cross-reference it. You're good. Turb, I'll check you real quick, so I got you, bro. If anybody's Blowfin, let me know. I'll check right now.
I'm gonna put him on the books right now. This means it's official, Shaw. Just so you know. I got your UID, I got your name. So even if you change your name, I got your UID. There's
And,
levels to this. I watch everything.
not Turbo. You need some more, brother.
Check
Some nip-
check Mello.
I'm checking everyone that just sent theirs. Mellow, yeah, you guys need a lot more, by the way. So just to let you guys know, I don't mean to slight you at all. I'm not doing that. I hate to do that. I'm not a pocket watcher, but when you are going for the volume, I know a lot of people question like how many trades they actually have to take. Yeah, you need significantly more, brother. 195, 210, 110, yes. A little bit more, Giron. A little bit more, brother. You're doing good. You're on the right track. A little bit more. Yeah, just a little bit more, guys. A little bit more. I need 750K. Yeah, that's good. That's good. It's good. To put in perspective how quickly you can do it, it's like if you do 10x, you do that like a few times a week, you should be at a million. But I know a lot of people can't trade with that much. I get it, but it'll be way worth it with the bot. Trust me.
Oh, another thing too, guys, before I go, Woods made a post about it earlier today about people asking for money within the Discord. If you guys are getting asked for money, if it's a impersonator of Woods, me, Native, Bilio, any of our moderators, or if there's even a helper that is confirmed, a beta tester, any of those guys that are asking for money, let me know as soon as possible. You can tag me in general, just saying that you need to DM me, and I will get to those DMs ASAP. To be honest, that's completely unacceptable. And if that does happen to you, we will resolve it ASAP. If anybody in the group is asking for money or asking you to invest in some stupid shit, let me know and we're gonna instantly ban them. Because I'm not having that. It's unprofessional. So if you guys get a weird gut feeling about somebody, or if someone's tried stealing money from you or anything, let me know, please, guys. Okay.
Also, like I want it to come seamless. I don't want you guys to force your trades trying to make a million a month volume. It's not worth doing that. Trust me. Make sure you guys are profitable and you run up. If you have a 10K account, you're risking 5% of trades, bro. You should be doing that, no problem. Like absolutely no problem. So if you're doing that, you should get it. If you're doing, I mean, it's just the math. If you're doing 1,010x on a trade, that's 10K volume on that trade. You do that uh twice twice a week. What? Twice a week. So a few times a week, you're good. I mean, it's and it's not like you have to do 1,010x. You can do 110x 5 times. It'll add up to that, and that's a very small trade on leverage. I mean, for me, I might not sound humble in that way, but 210x, like if you're risking 5% of that, you're risking what, like a $50 loss?
There's
Yeah.
there's a there's a lot of factors too that I personally look at when I'm bookkeeping. Not only volume comes into play, but as well as consistency, as well as loyalty as well. So there's three factors that I pay attention to when giving VIP roles or when giving mafia roles. There's a lot of factors that I pay attention to, guys. So um, I know Woods is going over volume right now, and obviously that's super important, but
Yeah,
consistency.
like if we see a person that's trading with 500,000 every month, we're gonna let you get access. You know what I'm saying? Without telling you, I mean, it's like it. I say a million because it lets people push for that. Like a million is not that hard to do. But what it does do is people that are using multiple refs, it makes them focus on my ref more. And that's just part of the game, baby. I take no, I take. I'm not ashamed of that. I know if people are using multiple referrals, they're probably using one for one person, one for another person, one for another person. The million makes you focus more on mine than others. Rightfully so. I mean, there's no one giving products away like this, and I understand that. I mean,
Always forward. Stop that. You definitely get VIP, but there's no point. You have more access than anybody. I mean, I can give you the role. I know you're a little. I think you're a little slut for roles. Always. I got you.
well, who's a little slut for all?
Always forward. Our helper.
My boy always
And
forward. Nah, he
yeah,
deserves.
our beta tester, our helper, our
He's
VIP
the
now.
model. If you guys need to mimic anybody, you mimic always forward. This guy has been. I don't even know if he trades on the ref, to be honest. Like I really don't.
No, he does. He does.
I don't give a. I don't care if he does it as well because he's been helping Matt and he helps all the members here. He's here every day. Always
Consistent.
supporting consistency. Yo, if I see you retweet a Woodsbot tweet all the time, like a significant tweet all the time, and you're replying or whatever, I notice that and I tell him to give you access to VIP. Like I have a few VIPs that literally just help on Twitter. That shit goes a long way.
Absolutely.
Like that goes more than a lot. That you guys help me on Twitter goes more than any $100 a month subscription would go. Ha, Cameron, be a slut. I got it. Hey, we love sluts, baby. We don't marry them, but we love them.
Yeah. Woodsy's the slut king over here. You gotta
Is
watch out.
ninja status assimilated to mafia? No. So if you weren't here earlier, Yoko, if you guys are under Pocky's role, I am not taking away all access, but I'm taking away majority access. I'm gonna leave you guys with the RSI bot. Are we gonna leave them with the heat maps as well, the RSI heat maps, or did we decide not to do that?
No, we're gonna leave him with the RSI heat maps.
Is there anything else to get? The RSI bot, the RSI heat maps, what the RSI 30-minute?
Yeah, you guys are gonna get the RSI heat map and the RSI bot, and that's it, guys. That's just
Yeah, okay. So anyone that's under Pocky, they're gonna get the RSI bot. They're gonna get the RSI heat map. Originally, that's what it was supposed to be. Not sure what happened there, but it was a miscommunication. I'm gonna let that happen. I don't care. Like I said, I don't care whose ref you use. I really don't. But it's important that whoever's using my ref gets majority. Because that's just the name of the game, man. Like the people that pay for the server are the people that help me and support my ref. I mean, I don't know how much more I can explain that, guys. I've seen a lot of people drop off my refs, and then come at us and say, "Oh, why'd I lose access? Why?" Well, it's pretty clear why you lost access, and I don't want to deal with that, nor do I need to deal with that, nor do I mean, you gotta deal with that, dog. That's your job. So, yeah, like I'm saying, I don't want to deal with that every day. If you're supporting me, you support me because you do, and if you don't, you don't. You know, is what it is.
Dude with camera. So the reason why you lost access there for I think it was about a day. So I went through all of the Pocky's role in general, and I basically took away a lot of access from people because what we were running into were people coming into WG, taking Pocky's classes, coming into our Discord saying that he's part of Pocky's classes, and then just leaving everything except for our Discord. So a lot of people took advantage of us, which is unfortunate because
I had a good and I'm gonna cut you off there. I had a good 40 people come into Wealth Group, take his classes, and we gave them access to the Pocky Roll just for that. And they leave WG, they leave the classes, they aren't active, and they're not using his ref. They're not using my ref. They're not doing anything, and they're just taking advantage of the role. So we just had to clear things up. We didn't know who it was, a lot of them. But we'll take. I think you got the roll. Yeah, you're good. You got the roll back. It was just a massive amount of people that we had that literally just came into the group, left the group, and still have the role and use the role because we could see who uses the role. So anytime you click on an automation, we can see who clicks that automation. Anybody that let's see, if anybody clicks on, let's say you want to look at the RSI heat map and you click the RSI heat map, we could see you clicked on that. If you use the high block, we could see you use the high block, etc., etc. So I saw who was using it, who's not in the group, who's not on the ref, and yeah, I don't want to have to do that. Is what I'm saying.
So yeah, I just want to add on to that. So, yeah, it's kind of unfortunate, guys. People were just trying to take advantage of us and leeching off us, really, and it kind of ruined it for Pocky's refs. But I'm in Pocky's classes all the time and in section within WG, so I know who the OGs are, and the OGs will obviously um, get access among any of the new students because it's just a pain in the ass. But so dude with camera, you said sorry, it was mentioned already. What's the process to get upgraded to Mafia? So what you're gonna do is you're gonna go to Woodsbot Access, which I will type in here. Woodsbot Access, and you'll go there and you'll just follow the steps. Really, you'll sign up with one of our ref links, one of the exchanges, and once you sign that up, you'll send your UID into the UID bot. I'll check it, and then if you had followed all the steps correctly, you will get access. But again, guys, we're not in the business of stealing people's refs. We could care less about that. But like Wood said, we're going to be prioritizing our most loyal members who have been supporting us. And that's why VIPs get free access.
Fuck, excuse me.
Can you minimize the limit of Haraya is the Pepo bot king. Yo, what's happening, entitlement? What's happening, my boy? First thing I am doing when I get to personal PC. BTC brand, that's good to hear, man. We're happy to have you part of the family, the mafias. You can become a made man. You're gonna be one of our top earners, right, Brent? Get it. We're doing good, entitlement. We're actually just finishing up the stream, brother. Right, anybody can spam my DMs. Just a matter of if I'm gonna get to them fast or not. But I usually get to every DM I get sent.
Anybody else have any questions for me in general, or what's going on?
So, dude with camera asks, do you guys know if you can use a ref link under an already created Bybit account which operates under the Plow ID? So, what you would have to do is you would have to do a KYC transfer, or you would have to sign up under one of our other exchanges, dude with camera.
Oh yeah, bro. Real easy, my dude. Just sign up under the ref. You'll get access, bro. Like it's. I mean, I don't want to take anybody from nowhere. If you can support you, do. That's the one thing that I don't like. What I do is I want everyone to eat, and I can only help so much. Like, Pocky's a good friend of mine. Um, so when it comes to me having to take care of people that help me, right? Because there's a lot of people in this Discord that help me. This is not a one man army. So when you're looking at like Woodsbot, you know what I'm saying, all the refs going to Woods. No, I'm dispersing a lot of this. So a lot of what comes to the server is what I use to give back to the people that help me run the server. So it's not, I'm not eating everything, nor do I want to or care to. I want this to be as successful as it can be, and the bigger it gets, the more everybody eats. So I need so I need as many supporters as I can get as I hope the sport is built on my bed.
Yeah, full transparency too, guys, and I can speak for Woods on this. Every penny we make, we put back into this. So it's not like we're fucking buying Lambos yet. One day, but every penny we get, we put back into building this, to making it better, to giving our employees the best possible chances to succeed and make money in here. So yeah, guys, that's kind of
Damn, I'm really itching to make a coin, guys. Yo, if I made a coin, would you guys invest? We all put a G and pump that shit. You guys down? We all put a G, pump that shit to fucking 100 million market cap and cash out. We choose rich. Let's choose rich.
I don't like that idea one bit.
Oils, I know, bro. I'm just like scrolling through Twitter and I'm seeing people that have no business making coins make coins. I have no business in making a coin. Why haven't I made a coin yet? That's got me questioning things.
Yeah, it's
I'll send you guys the token address. I got you. We'll do early investments.
pumped up as long as it's
Morning Woods or Woods.ai. I don't know.
Woods.ai or backwoods.
No, I'm just fucking with you guys. Do not spread a rumor telling people I'm making I guarantee you, I'm gonna have one person come to me later and tell, oh, I heard Woods is making a coin. I guarantee you, I can almost bet that.
Dude,
I can almost guarantee I'm gonna get shaded later by somebody because I'm making a coin apparently, and then I'm gonna have to actually make a coin just to make it worthwhile.
Yeah, I'm gonna hear about it. I'm gonna get a message from like fucking 8 people. I
I
heard
have
the
it right here.
Woodsbot.
1 billion tokens, 50K for Discord access, and that's it. Real token. I mean, hey, if you look at like what INJ is building, you look at what actual coins with utility are building, like
we build better, honestly. Some of them.
our
It's
shit's
crazy.
better. Yeah,
Yeah.
our shit's better. So
Like some of the AI coins, like just like they're just Telegram bots that we've already built and have made fucking way better and have a huge use case. It's actually crazy.
I mean, it's true too because you could see the use case of a lot of these coins. Like, it's
Yeah.
crazy to me the type of utility that they have for coins that are evaluated so much. It's fucking wild. So, hey guys, it's not out of the realm of possibility. Is it happening? Probably not. But if it happens, are you guys gonna eat? Of course, absolutely. Woods, Alex, that's
It's kind of
fire.
fire. That's kind of fire. I like that. I like that a lot. More right now, Siri. How do you make a coin? Yeah, it's actually
Oh no.
no one go spread rumors about that either. I don't want to. I want
Oh
the
no,
people
you do what you want. You do what you want. Do what you want. Do what you
chat
want, please.
GPT where you at.
That's El
But
Salvador drops income tax from 30% to 0%.
what's that?
Jeez, might have to make the move to El Salvador.
Wow. Let's just go to where is it? Yeah, you probably don't want to go to Dubai. Well, let's go to Costa Rica. No income, no fucking capital tax there.
Really? There's no capital tax?
No capital, dude. Why do you think fucking the Logan Pauls and Jake Pauls live there? Like that's where their residency is. They
In
don't have
Costa Rica?
in Costa Rica, yeah.
I think you're
Look it
talking
up.
about Puerto Rico, bro.
No, Costa Rica, bro. Look it up. Look it up.
Nah, you're talking about Puerto Rico, bro.
Here, let's take a look. Let's take a look.
Nah, you're not talking about Costa Rica, bro. You're tripping. Guys don't even know what part of the globe he's talking about.
I'm gonna surprise you right now.
No, you're talking about Puerto Rico, bro. That's where they live. This guy trying to take me to school.
How much income tax do you pay in Costa Rica? Oh, it's just
What?
super low. It's just super low.
Yeah, bro. Stop trying to be right. It's okay to be wrong.
I legit thought that. I legit thought that.
Hey,
I'm the
Ryan,
guy
have
that
a good night, bro. Also, I'm gonna go to Thailand in July with John. So if you guys want to meet us, let me know. If anybody's in Dubai again, let me know. Hit me in my DMs. I'm trying to orchestrate how many people are gonna come. We're trying to organize a night. Probably April 20th, coincidentally. So if anybody has weed out there, let me know. We'll get arrested together.
I live in Peru, no taxes for crypto. What are you saying, native? Is there no taxes in Costa Rica? Am I right? No capital gains tax?
Nah, you're just trying to be right, brother.
Countries with no capital gain tax. Cayman Islands, Malaysia, Belize, Belgium, Oman,
Kuwait?
Kuwait.
Is that
That's
in Africa?
no, that's in Middle East.
Oh wow, I'm terrible with geography.
Switzerland, Singapore, Barbados, Qatar. Yeah. Crazy though. Abu Dhabi. Yeah, we just gotta go to Dubai, man.
Nah, I'm never
You
living in
you
Dubai.
you just can't be Woodsy anymore. You're gonna have to change your name to
Yeah, I'm
Robert.
not living. I'm not living in no Dubai.
The big Robbie.
Yeah, fuck that shit.
Robbie Woods. Yeah.
Nah, I don't think I could ever live in Dubai, to be real.
It feels so fake. Yeah, it's like utopia kind of world there for sure.
It's just like, I mean, you're in a desert and there's nothing else really to do. Like, what's there to do out in Dubai? I'm being real. I don't really see the appeal,
That's
except for the
crazy
taxes.
that Hong Kong doesn't have any capital gains.
Wow, yeah, that is crazy. Dubai's not. Yeah, I wouldn't live in Dubai. Was it Portugal like tax? Yeah, yeah, it was. It was. I don't think it is anymore. I think they changed that.
You know
Or
where
it still might be.
it's just Cayman Islands, bro.
I live in Belgium. There's no capital tax. Oh, that's pretty good.
Let's go to Cayman Islands or fucking Bermuda.
Bermuda and get lost.
That's where we're moving Woodsbot to, guys. Cayman Islands. Fine, hold. Space load. Cayman Islands sounds so shady. Yeah, for real. Honestly, that's probably the best place out of all those, though, to live. To be honest, Cayman Islands. Like, where else would you go? Malaysia? Nah. Like Singapore, maybe. But that's so far, too. New Zealand would be far.
New Zealand?
Yeah, New Zealand would be far. New Zealand, I actually don't mind that. Thailand is pretty relaxed, but
I wouldn't live in New Zealand. You're tripping, bro.
Cayman Islands, yeah. Alright, I gotta go. It was a nice stream. See you, Jatal. Appreciate you coming by, bro. See ya always forward as well. Thanks for
You
tapping
have to
in.
deposit USDT to get access to Woodsbot. So,
Palau is pretty close to New Zealand. Yeah, Palau is everywhere.
Palau's over by the Philippines, I'm pretty sure. Hey, where do you live, Kim? All right, guys. I got laid out for a little bit. I feel like mad sick right now. But I appreciate everybody. It was nice. It was cool chatting with you guys. Yeah, real fun. Let's get on stream again. End of the weekend or something. Over the weekend, maybe. Oh, it's only Tuesday. Yeah, let's go over the weekend. Have a little stream again. Yeah, guys. Appreciate it. Fucking have a good one. My boy Doll. I'll see you later. I gotta get off and bang my head through water so I don't fucking feel sick anymore. God. Peace out, my brother. Peace out, guys.
All right, guys. Peace, guys. Appreciate you guys coming by. We will have everything uploaded if you guys missed it. Talk soon. Again, hit me up if you guys need anything. Peace, fellas.